Page 28. Unit 6. Who's this? A. Listen and read.
This is a picture of Mika and Niraj. Mika is an elephant. Mika is very important for Niraj's family. Niraj takes care of Mika. Niraj washes Mika in the river. They play. Then it's time to work. When Niraj eats lunch, he gives Mika food. Mika likes fruit and nuts. He loves cookies. Niraj brings cookies for Mika. Then, one day, Niraj goes away. He goes to school. Mika works hard. There are no cookies. Mika is lonely. One day, after work, Mika sees something. What's this? It's a nut. Wait, what's this? It's an orange. What's this? It's a cookie. Yummy. And what's this? It's a foot. A foot? Who's this? It's Niraj. He's home. It's the holidays.